Hi guys, good afternoon. This is your Dr. Bhupesh once again from Dr. BKM Institutes. Today we have just completed OET listening and there are many things we have learned today. First of all, in OET listening, taking care of prepositions of, in, to, into are very important because whenever they will speak in listening, off, then after the off there would be a blank. So you have to focus on the word. Like today we did pain localized in dash and he said pain, he changed the word localized with something else. Pain was located or something like that. He changed that word and then he said in. So our focus was in. So then he said pain localized in knee. That is what we felt, knee. So he changed something else. He spoke something else. So that is what are the key points. Prepositions are very important. A, and, the. Articles are very important. Then you have to take care of the third thing. Like he said, my knee. Never write in the listening my word because you are nurses writing down the notes of the patient. So you say his knee. Otherwise, you simply write knee. Don't use words like my, his, her. And spellings are very important in OET listening part A. Subscribe the channel if you have not. Our contact number is 76967 34256 for the best OET coaching. Thank you very much.